Dear students, I hope you all are doing well and studying at your home. So welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of Social Studies, and in today's video we are gonna cover the exercises of chapter 5. Okay, so our chapter name is My Classroom. Okay, our chapter name is My Classroom. So students, as you all know, we had already covered the exercise 1, 2 and 3 of this chapter in our previous videos. So in today's video we are going to cover the exercise 4. Okay, so students, you have to complete this exercise in your notebook. Okay, you have to complete this exercise in your notebook. Okay, so students, check out your social studies book firstly, and also take out your pencil, eraser and your notebook. Okay, so that you can do the exercise with me in your notebook. Okay, so students, what is our exercise 4? So exercise 4 is answer the following questions. Okay, answer the following questions. Okay, so what you have to do in this exercise, students, you have to write the answers of the given questions in your notebook. Okay, you have to write the answers of the given questions in your notebook in very neat and clean handwriting. Okay, your handwriting should be neat and clean. Okay, is that clear? Okay, and there should be not any spelling mistakes in your notebook. Okay students, so listen to me carefully and also look at the screen carefully. Okay, when you are writing the question answers in your notebook. Okay, so here the first question of this series is, what is blackboard? Okay, what is a blackboard? Okay, now students, you all are aware about this thing, that blackboard is a board in our classroom. So the teacher writes on the blackboard with the help of chalk. Okay, so our teacher teaches us on the blackboard. Okay, so you all are aware about it, so you have to write the what is the blackboard. Okay, so you have to write in your notebook about the blackboard. Okay, so let's see the answer of this question. So the answer of the first question is, blackboard is a board on the wall at the front of the class on which the teacher writes. Okay, so blackboard is a board. So blackboard is a board on the front wall of the classroom. Okay, so a board on the front wall of the classroom is called blackboard. So our teacher writes with the chalk on the blackboard. Okay, is that clear? So this is the answer of the first question. You have to write this in your notebook. Now students, let's move on to the second question, and the second question is, what is the picture board in a classroom used for? Okay, what is the picture board in the classroom used for? So here you have to write the use of a picture board in a classroom. Okay, you have to write a use of the picture board in the classroom. Okay, the picture board is used for pinned the picture and charts. Okay, a picture board is used for pin the pictures and charts. So students, when I explain you this chapter, I had told you that the picture board is the board that is placed on the in the back wall of the classroom. Okay, so the picture board is placed on the back wall of the classroom, and our teachers, okay, so your teachers pin the pictures, informative pictures and charts on the blackboard so that you can gain the informations. Okay, is that clear? So here you have to write the use of picture board. Okay, only use. So the picture board is used for pin the pictures and charts. Okay, this is the answer of question second. So you have to write this question answer in your notebook. Okay, is that clear? Now move on to the third question, and the third question is how should we take care of our classroom. Okay, now students, here you have to write that how should we take care of our classroom. Okay, so that what is the method, we can take care of our classroom. Okay, so the answer of this question is we can throw the waste paper and sharpen in the dustbin, and we should keep our classroom neat and clean. Okay, so this is the answer of the third question, that we should how can we keep our classroom, how can we take care of our classroom. Okay, so we can take care of our classroom by throwing the waste paper and the sharpen of pencils in the dustbin, and we should always keep our classroom neat and clean. So in this method we can take care of our classroom in the proper way. Okay, in the proper manner. Is that clear? Now students, come on the question number 4. Okay, so question 4 is name any 5 things that you find in your classroom. Okay, so here you have to write 5 objects name. Okay, so here you have to write 5 objects name. Okay, that you find in your classroom. Okay, you have to write 5 objects name, 5 things name that are present in the classroom. Okay, in your classroom. Okay, so first object that you will find, that you definitely find in your classroom is chair. Okay, so first object is chair. Now what is the spelling of chair? The spelling of chair is chair, chair. Okay, the second object is table. Okay, the second object is table. Okay, that you will definitely find in your classroom because students use the table for writing. Okay, so chair and table, 2 things. Now tell me what is the spelling of table. The spelling of table is table, table. Okay, the third thing that you will definitely find in your classroom is chalk. Okay, if there is no chalk in classroom, then how a teacher will teach you. Okay, so classroom, the chalk is very necessary for teaching the students in a classroom. So definitely there is chalk in your classroom, you will find chalks in your classroom. Okay, what is the spelling of chalk? The spelling of chalk is chalk, chalk. Is that clear? Now students, the fourth object that you will find in your classroom is duster. Okay, the fourth object is duster. Okay, and what is the use of duster? So teacher used duster for wipe the board. Okay, teacher used duster for wipe the board. Now tell me what is the spelling of duster? The spelling of duster is duster. Okay, duster. Is that clear? Now move on to the fifth one, and the fifth object is desk. Okay, fifth object is desk. Okay, now students, what is the spelling of desk? So the spelling of desk is desk, desk. Okay, the spelling of desk is desk, desk. Okay, now students, let's revise once all the question answer. Okay, so the first question is what is a blackboard? What is a blackboard? Now tell me what is the spelling of blackboard? The spelling of blackboard is blackboard, blackboard. Okay, now tell me student, what is a blackboard? Blackboard is a board on the wall at the front of the class on which the teacher writes. Okay, so blackboard is a board on the front wall of the classroom, so teachers writes on it. Is that clear? Now students, the second question is what is the picture board in a classroom used for? Okay, now what is the use of picture board? So the picture board is used for pinned the pictures and charts. Okay, so the picture board is used for pin the pictures and the charts. Okay, now the third question is how how should we take care of our classroom? How should we take care of our classroom? Okay, so we can throw the waste paper and sharpen in the dustbin, and we should keep our classroom neat and clean. Okay, so we should always keep our classroom neat and clean by throwing the waste paper and sharpen of the pencils in the dustbin. Is that clear? Okay, now move on to the question 4, and the fourth question is name any 5 things that you find in your classroom. Okay, so here you have to write 5 objects name that you find in your classroom. Okay, so the 5 objects are chair, table, chalk, duster and desk. Is that clear? So students, our fourth exercise also completed now. So students, you have to write this exercise in your notebook, and you have to learn these question answers. Okay, so students, this is your homework for today, so don't forget to complete your homework. So see you in the next video lesson. Till then, bye bye, take care of yourself and keep studying.